Hello, pre-algebra. I think that this lesson 6.2, you may be missing some pages in your packet. So would you check that now? When I printed it out, I only had page 5 and then it skipped to page 8. So if that is the case, then I guess we lucked out. We've got a shortened assignment. But today we're talking about angles that share a vertex. And the first thing I wanted to remind you of is vertical angles. Vertical angles are made when two lines intersect. So they're kind of opposite each other. And the nice thing about vertical angles is that they are congruent. And we can use that relationship to solve problems. If in this case, you've got two pairs of vertical angles. So I've got these are vertical angles, and then this one and this one are vertical angles. Same thing here. We got these two vertical angles, and then these two are vertical. And the ones that are opposite of each other are congruent. All right, so let's look at how to tackle these angles that share a vertex. The 1 through 8 asks you to find the value of x. So the other thing that you need to realize is that a circle makes 360 degrees. So if you don't know that, circle equals 360 degrees. So if I were to go all the way around, I would go 360 degrees. So if this part of that journey is 150 degrees, you would subtract that from 360 to see what this part of the journey is. So that is how you tackle this problem. So you are really going to be looking at vertical angles and also using that a circle is 360 degrees. So let's look at number 2. Number 2, if you see that this angle is 48 degrees and then this angle is 3x. Well, one thing that we can tell is that they are vertical angles. They are across from each other. They are created when two lines intersect. And vertical angles are always congruent. So that means that if this is 48 degrees, this is 48 degrees. If they're asking you to find the value of x, you're going to say 3x equals 48 degrees. Okay, 3 and 4, I think that you can see 360 degrees. If you're solving for x on this one, the equation would be 150 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 23 degrees plus x equals 360 degrees. So add up what you know, figure out what you don't. All right, same thing with 5 and 6. 7, same thing. 8 is tricky. 8 is super tricky. And one thing that we are trying to find is x. Now, I know that this one, because it has this little square in the corner, this is a 90-degree angle. All right. Now, looking at this, I am going to use this line right here. I'm going to use this line because this line is a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. So if I start here and I travel all the way around to here, that's 180 degrees that I've gone. So to figure out what x is, I'm going to add 18 degrees plus 3x degrees plus 90 degrees plus 2x degrees equals 180. So let's write that down. Let's see if I can. All right, so we've got 18 plus 3x plus 90 plus 2x equals 180 degrees. Now what we are going to do is combine like terms. Okay, so 18 is in plus 90, that would be 108 plus 3x plus 2x is 5x equals 180. Then we are going to subtract 108 from both sides. cancels out. You have 5x equals 72. Divide both sides by 5. All right, I'm going to come over here. 72 divided by 5. 5 goes into 7 once. Subtract, bring down. 5 goes into 22, 4. That would be 20. I've got 2 left. I'm going to put a decimal and a 0. And let's bring that down because 5 goes into 24. So in this case, x equals 14.4 degrees. There we go. So that is how you tackle these problems. Good luck with them. I do want you to do 8. There are some problems on there. 21 gives you a ratio. In the diagram, P, Q, R, and S are in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 1 to 4. Find the value of each variable. So you would just use x for 1, 2x for 2, 3x, and 4x. Put that where it goes. All the way around is 360. And then find the value of each variable. Find what the measure is angle P, what is the measure of angle Q, etc. All right, you guys, good luck. I'll talk to you later. Bye.